How to delete messages on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your message on WeChat if you have sent it mistakenly. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device and click on the person's profile to enter their chat section. Once you reach to the chat page here, click on the message you want to delete. After clicking on it, some options like this will pop up on your screen. There you'll find delete option. Click on this delete button. A dialog box will appear on the screen asking you if you are really sure to delete the message or not. If you change your mind, you can click on this cancel to stop it. But if you are really sure to delete this message, go ahead and tap on that delete button to confirm. And there you go, you have successfully deleted message on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.